First of all, just listen to it. Some of you may know that the tone played just now was the default SMS tone of the old Nokia mobiles, and the meaning of that tone is SMS. But how can you exactly say it? To understand this, we have to understand a code. So my dear friends, my name is Stan Guru and I welcome you to this channel Light Towards Technology. And in this video, we will discuss about the Morse code. So my dear friends, without any further ado, let's get started. In today's date, we do not have deficiency of options. If you want to talk with any person, maybe he can be anywhere on the earth, you can get instantly connected to him using your 3G or your 4G network. But think what the history was. There were no 3G, no 4G network at those times. But the people at those times used to communicate with each other. So what was their means of communication? It were letters. Commonly, they had only two options in their hand. One of them was they would tie the letter on one of the leg of the pigeon and let it fly, but they had no guarantee that the pigeon would reach the right person at right time. And the other option for them was that they would send a messenger physically who would deliver the message. But both of these options were very slow. Like for example, if you're inviting someone for a function that is to be held on 30th of April and the receiver is getting the invitation on the 31st of May. So my dear friends, I just mean to say that there used to be a lot of delays. So long time back in the past, in the United States, Mr. Samuel Morse got a very important message related to his wife, but till the time he got that, it was too late. He became very frustrated, and out of frustration, he thought of developing a system through which people can transact their message instantly. So eventually, after a long try, he invented the telegraph machine. The telegraph machine was basically a combination of two machines that were connected through a wire. There was a sending unit and the receiving unit. If the sender taps something on the sending unit, then through the movement of the electromagnets, the electrical current would travel through the wire to the receiving unit where the receiver would receive the message. But the question arises, what were the signals? Suppose one need to send hi or hello, then what may be the signal of hi or hello? So Mr. Morse thought a lot on it and he invented the Morse code. For developing this Morse code, first of all, Mr. Morse researched for the mostly repeated alphabet in the English language. After his research, he found out that letter E was repeated the most. So he gave a very easy code for the E, that is just a dot. Like this, he gave code for A to Z, 0 to 9 and all the other characters. And after giving a code to all the alphabet, number and all other characters, Mr. Morse found a pattern that he named the Morse code. So if you want to send hi to one of your friend, then firstly you have to type the code of H and then you have to type the code of I and then simply you have to send it. So the receiver will understand that you wanted to send him hi. It's that simple. Later on, when people find it difficult to write the Morse code, then Mr. Morse set some of the rules for the Morse code. That is, the minimum characters should be a dot and the length of a dash should be as equal to length of 3 dots. And there should be some gap between characters and longer gaps between words. The use of Morse code was done in a large scale, and even in the World War II it was very famous. Later, with some of the improvements, the Morse code was sent wirelessly. You may be thinking that the technology has been obsolete or it has been eradicated, but you are wrong. The military and the navy of our country still take it in use. They use it for their communication purpose. I would like you to hear it again. Yes, it's the same SMS tone that I played before. Now in the Morse code list, look for the code of S, M and S. If you'll see there, then you will see it as dot 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 dash dash dot dot dot. And that was played just before. That means the Nokia company used these codes as their tone. So friends, this was all about the Morse code and I feel that I have made you understand about it. But also if you have any further queries related to it, then you are 100% free to ask your query in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to it and do like my video. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video and hope to see you in my next video.